Hello students, good morning. How are you my dears? The topic is correct form of the verb. Here we are studying a new topic for class 8th. The students who belong to English medium schools. Class 8 and the topic is correct form of the verb. In previous class we have studied here correct form of the verb, and in correct form of the verb we have studied, I have taught you about present indefinite tense. Today we will study present continuous and perfect tense. आज हम किसका अध्ययन करेंगे? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस और परफेक्ट टेंस का. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in present continuous tense, dear students, in previous class I have told you in correct form the verb. In this topic you will get a sentence, and in the sentence you will get a blank. In the blank you will have to fill only the helping verbs and main verbs. You will get the first form of the main verb in the brackets after the blank. So here you have to study, you have to know what are the adverbs of time in present continuous tense. In previous class I have told you about the adverbs of time, but today we will study here the adverbs of present continuous tense and the adverbs which are used in present perfect tense. So first we will study present continuous tense. In present continuous, still, now, at present, at this time, at this moment, now, still, at present, at this time, at this moment, etc. Here, etc. means in these days. In these days, and you can get here nowadays, but we have written here now. So now or nowadays you will take it in your mind. In present continuous tense we always use is, are, am plus ing with the first form of the main verb. If you find any one of these adverbs of time in a sentence, then you will fill in the blanks is, are, am plus ing with the first form of the main verb. So dear students, these are the examples. The child is still, and in bracket you will get the first form of the main verb. The subject is the child. With the subject we always use is, because the subject is singular noun, the child, and in the second blank you will fill ing with weep. Is weeping. The child is weeping. Why? Why we have written here is weeping? Because in the sentence still is given and still is the adverb of time that is always used in present continuous tense. Second example, my English in bracket improve now. My English in bracket improve now means my English is improving now. Okay. Why we have written here is improving? Because is improving is always used in present continuous tense. How do we know that the sentence is of present continuous tense? Because in this sentence there is adverb of time that is now. So we have filled here is improving. Third sentence, at present work with a company. In a company, you will not use in a company. If you are working with a company, then you will write the with preposition, not in. Okay? In this sentence, at present is the adverb of time. So, mind it, my dear students, the adverb of time at present is always used in present continuous tense. So, we will fill in the blanks, the helping verbs and the main verbs of present continuous tense. In present continuous, am working. Am working. At present, I am working with a company. Why? Why we have used here am working? Because in the sentence, at present is given here. Okay? Next. This is the sentence. In this sentence, adverb of time is given in these days. So you will write he is and ing with write means he is writing a book in these days. He is writing a book in these days. Okay, dear students, this is the present continuous tense. And next we will study present perfect tense. You can copy the sentences from the blackboard while pausing the video, or you can take a screenshot of the sentences. In next, we will study present perfect tense. What are the adverb of time in present perfect tense? First of all, we have to study what are the helping verbs that are used in present perfect tense. The helping verbs are has, have. In present perfect tense, helping verbs has, have plus MB third are used. If you get he, she, it, or any singular noun in a sentence, then use has helping verb. If you get I, we, you, they and the plural noun, then you will use have. And with these helping verbs, we always use third form of the main verb. But we have to write has a plus MB third in the blank only when you will get the adverb of time as recently, as so far, as yet, as already. Okay, these are the adverbs of time. The sentence is the government of India recently a plan against COVID-19. This is the sentence. The government of India blank recently blank make the first form of the main verb. Always you will get while or in the topic correct form of the verb. Only the first form main verb in any bracket. A plan against COVID-19 means to say India government has made, but you will write has or have only when you will get the adverb of time, and in the sentence adverb of time or adverb of manner, but in correct form the verb you will get only adverb of time, and here adverb of time is recently. Recently, the government of India recently is given here. Recently here, present perfect tense means has have third. India has made, M-A-D-E. This is your sentence of present perfect tense of correct form of the verb. Second sentence, he blank already blank and the first form of the main verb go. Dear students, he, the adverb of time is given already. You will write here has, and the third form of the main verb is gone. Okay, third sentence is my friend yet. Dear students, in this sentence the adverb of time is yet. The adverb of time is yet. So here we will write has, have and the third form of the main verb. Means to say we will write the helping verbs or main verb of present perfect tense, and in present perfect tense we write has a plus MB third. But we have to know in the sentence, what is the adverb of time? Adverb of time is given in the sentence yet, in this sentence already, and in this sentence recently. Please think over it. If you do not get yet here, you will get now, N-O-W. Then you will write here is coming, is coming. In this sentence, you will not get here already, and you will get still, at present, at this time. Then you will write here is going, is going. Okay, dear students. So in this sentence we will write, my friend has not come yet. Okay. Next sentence. In the sentence already is given. With she we will use has, and the third form of plan is planned. She has planned already, or already planned. Already planned. The sentence may be like the way, she has already planned. This type you can use present perfect tense and present continuous tense. Okay, dear students, copy the sentences from the blackboard by pausing the video, or you may take the screenshot. Okay, dear students, with these words I finish my class here of class 8 CBSE and RBSE English medium schools. Thank you.